Hello, hello! Welcome to this video. I'm Samya, I think. So I've been working on this comic. It's called Merboy. It's about a mer boy, as opposed to a mermaid, right? And his friendship with this girl named Rosemary, and it's really just like a short comic about friendship and growing up and figuring out who you are and like having to leave some friends behind. So I've been working on it because I want to send it off to print this week because I'll be in Denver in a little less than a month. At DINK, which is the Denver Independent Comic Expo. I have no idea if the K stands for comics or not. I guess they spell it with a K so they can call it DINK. Or maybe it's because of ink. So I'll be... This is gonna be happening a lot. So I'm working on that. Some pins are coming in, some stickers are coming in. Really, this is like taking up all of my time. And yeah, because watercoloring comic pages is like not the fastest way to color. There you go. Comics tip 101 right there. Sorry, I have cats meowing around me too, if you occasionally hear a meow. You want to see Oliver? This is Oliver. Oliver, say hi. He actually doesn't talk at all. And he doesn't like being picked up. So, progress report. This is where everything is now. This one is done. These need to get finished. It's just a red tie. And this is what I'm kind of using as reference of one of the pages I finished before. I do the lettering digitally, so yeah, this isn't totally silent. It's just that I haven't done it yet. Monday morning. It's one of my main studio work days here. I'm still working on Merboy. I did not get very far last night because it takes so long to get the level of finish I want for each page that, like, it's going along, it's gonna get done, but oh my gosh, it's taking so long. I'm a little worried about that because I need to send it off to print so that it gets here in time for DINK Denver, which is April 13th is when I leave, and it's that weekend. It's April 13th through 15th. So yeah, that's making me a bit crazy, and then I have another comic assignment due tomorrow that I have not finished. So that's great.
How's it going? So, funny story, now it is April 10th, and my new comic arrived. I've been working really hard to pack stuff for Denver, so yeah. So it was a crazy couple of weeks, but I eventually got Merboy sent off to be printed. I had my enamel pins in production. I had everything coming back in. Last week was really exciting because I got my new enamel pins and the comic on the same day. And I don't want to show you guys too much of the inside since you see the pages in progress, but here is Merboy. It's really pretty. I'm really enjoying how heavyweight the paper is. It's a lot thicker, and then this is about a 16-page comic. It has nice sort of semi-gloss pages, and it's a little short story, and it's sort of the first part of Merboy, and I eventually want to continue it so that we get into sort of the characters' growth and their journey and things like that, but this was what I wanted done for Denver so that I would have something new to sell there. And then I also got these enamel pins printed. Aren't they adorable? Let's see if that'll focus on it. So these are a few colors. They're gold enamel prints, and I designed the pin back cards for them. And I'll also be selling, everything I'll be selling in Denver, and then by April 24th they're going to go up on my Etsy shop, so if you're interested in purchasing some, whatever's left from the con, I'm sure there'll be, like, you know, enough left. Because I ordered enough to have for both this con and then a few others. I applied to Scranton Zine Fest in Pennsylvania. We'll see if I get into that. I'm doing the Women in Comics Convention in Brooklyn on June 30th. If anybody's in the New York area, that's where I'll be. And so, anyway, I digress. Etsy, April 24th. Look for a shop update. There'll be everything I have left on the shop update, as well as some older totes and buttons that I still have that if they don't sell out in Denver, I will just put whatever few handful are left to get them into new homes once and for all. And the other thing I made, which I just did today actually, as you probably saw, is these sticker packs. There's 3 stickers in here. The bunny, the hat, and the bottle, and it's a Spring Magic sticker pack, and it was just these designs that I really wanted to make some colorful floral stickers that sort of embodied a lot of the motifs I like, both with flowers and witches and bunnies and yeah, anyway. So that'll be another thing that'll go up in my Etsy store on April 24th. And if it looks messy behind me, it's because I've been trying to keep up with all of my deadlines for school. And then all this stuff that I've made is independent work. It's not based on anything I did for like my degree homework. And between that and like the Easter holiday being really crazy because I actually work at a church part-time, and so it was really, really busy. I'm really excited to go to Denver. Hopefully this video goes up before I leave. Hopefully I maybe even do some footage of Denver, even if it's just some like explorations and stuff like that, so I can share some of the journey with you guys. So if you like this video, if you like the sort of vlog studio combination, everything I'm producing behind the scenes type of thing, please let me know. Like the video if you can, if you want. You don't have to, but it'd be nice. Please subscribe for more videos. I have lots of tutorials and oh, where's my hat? Leave a comment down below with any feedback or thoughts or questions that you have, suggestions for other videos, anything. I have a lot of tutorials on like watercolor and Copic markers in my channel if you're interested in that, but this is the first sort of like studio vlog that I've ever made. So yeah, let me know. I hope you guys have an awesome day. I'm really excited it's finally April because it's finally getting warm in New York. No more snow. No more snow, please. And anyway, have a good one and I'll talk to you soon, hopefully. Bye! So much to do.